Hi, I'm Carrie from Glia. Thank you for taking a moment to watch this brief presentation on why you should buy our Glia stethoscope. This presentation will only take a few minutes and it explains a few reasons about why our stethoscope is great and why it's worth purchasing for yourself or your students or your clinic. At the end of the presentation, I'll tell you how you can get in touch in case you have any other questions. We're here to help. I want to start with a little bit about our philosophy. Glia creates high-quality medical devices that are open source and affordable. We do this by selling our products at a cost it takes to produce them. We are not in the business of making large profits. Any small profits we come by are largely reinvested into Glia's R&D to make new open source medical devices. We think all people can benefit from our vision that a patient's circumstance, and that might be financial, geographical, political, should not have impact on the quality of healthcare they receive. So why the stethoscope? The problem we identified early on is that there are many barriers for people accessing high quality medical care. The stethoscope is a basic yet primary medical device, and it's an example of a device invented over 200 years ago with no active development since the 1970s that has no further innovation on performance. Although a high quality brand name stethoscope is attainable on a Western physician's salary, it's still cost prohibitive for many around the world. This problem persists because large device companies won't let go of profits. Often, these companies prioritize stakeholder financial interests over high quality medical care. In walks Glia. Glia is a company that has combined deep medical knowledge, engineering skills, and a humanitarian drive with an effective strategy. We developed a stethoscope that is open source, which means the source code or the plans on how to build one yourself is readily available on an online repository. It's affordable and performs as well as its gold standard counterpart. Glia utilizes on-demand manufacturing, so there's no extra waste. Our products are durable and use components that are easily replaceable, customizable, and of course, they can be easily assembled. We have many value points, and I'm going to go over just a few of them. The first one being performance. We perform real research governed by well-respected educational institutions. We have a published study proving that our stethoscope works as well as the leading brand stethoscope. There's also quality. We build our devices with high quality, accessible materials in a lab licensed by Health Canada. A patient's safety is our top priority. Our devices are also modular. The Glia stethoscope is the only stethoscope on the market that you can fully deconstruct and decontaminate. Our stethoscope comes with the instructions to do so. It's also affordable. I'll say it again, when profit building is not in the way, you can price a device at a cost that is sustainable for you and the customer. And it also makes it affordable for students, any kind of medical professional across the board. What others are saying. Dr. Vo and Dr. Pavlovsky are two physicians that stand behind the Glia stethoscope. Dr. Vo writes, "This opportunity marks a momentous change to the medical community. Through our efforts, we can cultivate a more open source culture, one of which strives to be truly collaborative, truly transparent, to redirect our focus on what matters most, helping each other. The notion that quality devices necessitates high costs is challenged through this stethoscope." And Dr. Plavosky comments, "Having a high quality stethoscope is important. We researched and published testing protocols to ensure our 3D printed stethoscope was high quality and to provide others with a way to test it themselves. It gives me great joy to have worked on a project that empowers providers to create their own devices when cost was otherwise prohibitory." So now that you know a lot more about the Glia stethoscope and why it's important, I'm going to go over a couple options with you for purchasing. There are two main ways to receive your stethoscope. We have a ready-to-assemble kit. This kit is fantastic for individuals, purchasers, and groups of students. We actually intentionally made our stethoscope a build-your-own design so that folks could feel more in touch with the tools that enhance their medical practice. So whenever I help someone assemble their device, they're always react with, "Wow, it actually works." And of course, that brings a smile to my face. For those of you who are busy or maybe purchasing in larger batches, we can have them assembled for you. Each group comes with a standard selection of colors, comes with instructions for assembly and decontamination. We also have a 3-year warranty on our stethoscopes, but really your stethoscope should last you much longer than that with proper care. There's also an option for customization. We can customize a color or brand the stethoscope with your logo. And when you purchase an order of 10 stethoscopes or more, we'll give you a more personal touch, ensuring technical support when you need it. We don't expect you to have a problem with your stethoscope, but if you do, we can send you on-demand parts for free of charge. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to us. You can contact us at info@glia.org. For more info on the stethoscope and other Glia devices, you can visit glia.org. Thank you for watching, and if nothing else, I hope I provided you today with more confidence and understanding of how medical device purchases can make an impact. You have the power to make a difference with bringing equal care to all with a single purchase.